Hello, everyone. This is the voice of Olaide Halim, popularly known as Olaidola. I joined this Forsage on Throne smart contract business exactly 7th of September 2020, and today make it 10 day that I joined this program. And as you can see, I've make over $7,000. See, I've make over $7,000 from this project, and our secret is very, very simple, guys. The secret to make money from this business is very, very simple. You just need to come on board. You just need to come on board. So come on board. You can come on board with little amount. The registration fee is about 4,000 naira. But I need to tell you guys, I use over 1.6 million naira to join. It depends on how you want to position yourself. Depend on how you want to position yourself. When I come on board, I sign, I upgrade my level 7 to level 7 of S3 to level 7, and S4, I upgrade S4 to level 11. Level 11. My upline use more than 8 million to position himself. So you can join with little amount of money, and along the line, when you see how the business works, you can decide to put in more money to upgrade. The strategy is very, very simple, in which even if you don't know how to recruit, if you don't know how to tell anybody, there is a way in our team, there's a training that we put together that will allow you to introduce this business with people. All you need is just three downline, three people. You just need to tell them about this opportunity. I understand that you will say, okay, recruiting people is my problem, recruiting people is my challenge. We've got you covered. We've got you covered. When you join our team, anybody that shared this video to you, with you, you need to join the person, you need to ask for the person link. We are working together as a team, and once you join our group, once you join our team, you will have access to this marketing channel. This is Forsage marketing channel. We do post to this group different strategy that you can use to get in people, different method, different tactics that you can use to getting people to the system. I need to tell you guys that it is not only us that are winning. Almost everybody that are joining our team are making money. When you come on board as well, you'll be added to this group, which is Forsage on Throne, and you need to act fast, because at the moment we have about 189 people here, and you all know that this group can only accommodate just 250 people. And as you can see here, if we check the archive, you see a lot of people that are sharing their testimony every day to this group. That is why our team is amazing, and that is why you need to join our team. This is the earning of a member. This is the earning of a member. As you can see, $31. Let's check another one. We have a lot of screenshots there that people share to the group. See this one, $152. See this one, $52. See this one, $62. See this one, $224. Say this one, $735, and so on, guys, All these people, they learn this strategy, the method about how to getting people. They learn it from this training. So we are there that you know that, okay, maybe you can't tell people, you can't recruit people, you can't tell anybody. You just need like 3 people. Come on, you need just 3 people. But if you can't even refer, all you need to do is just position yourself, registered, and our training will teach you on how to do that. If you want to confirm the day that I joined this program, we need to go to statistics, and at the end, we need to click on the last page. Once we click on the last page, we'll be able to see the day that I joined this program. This is 7th of September 2020. 20. If I can make over $7,000 within within short period of time, which is 10 days, I think you too can. Everything in life is all about determination. And one thing about our team, we want everyone to win. We want you to win. We want everybody to win. We want everybody to make money. That is why you need to come on board on time. What you need to do right now is to get in touch to the person that share this video to you and sign up right away. Sign up with the person right away. Once you sign up, the person will give you necessary support that you need to join our team. Thank you so much. I remain your friend, Olaide Halim. Bye for now.